You're watching K News HD International. Punjab Highway Patrol Sahiwal Additional IG PHP Rao Abdul Karim visit to Sahiwal. Additional IG PHP participate in the general meeting of patrolling police in Sahiwal. The officers and employees of PHP Sahiwal, Okada, Khanewal and Pakpatan participated in the general meeting. SP Multan Madam Huma Nasib was also present on this occasion. DSP Sahiwal Azhar Gul, DSP Pakpatan Yasin Bhattu and DSP Khanewal Mazhar Hayat Haraj also participated in the general meeting. In the general meeting, additional IG PHP had the problems of the employees and issues their orders on the spot. Addressing to the employees, the additional IG said the welfare of PHP employees in going on fast, more steps are being taken. New visuals are being given to the PHP force and the process of promotion in the PHP force is also being the speeded up. Additional IG Punjab Abdul Karim also engaged the service center at the patrolling police 95/6R. A series of refresher courses are also going on the instill discipline in the PHP force and its basics PHP force has also being given the power of e-challan app police to the control road vehicles.